And I want to make some nice fast dish, so let's go and do it together. I have my black pepper, my ginger, salt. So look at what I have here. So this is what I have. I have bacon. Here I have bacon and bell peppers and spring onions here. So let's get together. Over here, somebody's helping me today, and the person is no other person but Aria. Hey Aria, say hi. Yeah. So we have Aria in the kitchen with me, and she's gonna be helping me to cook. Yeah, Aria, hold on, let me finish. She's gonna help me to cook today. So Aria is gonna be helping mommy to cook. Yeah, Aria? We're gonna be adding a little bit of this to it. Aria, wait, Aria, wait. Don't make it too big. That is too big. It's too big. Cut some out. Yeah? It's okay, that way is okay. Yeah. Good. Mama is helping. Good girl. I can make it like that. Like that. Look at that. Now you stop playing and put it in there, okay?
Mia. Mommy.
Yeah. Yeah. You're done. Good. Thanks for helping. Now you have to wash your hands with soap, okay? Okay.